Chappli kabab. For recipe we need minced beef 740 grams, 2 onions chopped, ginger garlic to TBS, 2 tomatoes sliced, 6 green chilies chopped, pomegranate seeds 1 tsp black pepper 1 sp cornmeal 2 to chili 1 tsp coriander powder 1 gram masala 1 tsl salt 1 shira 1 tsp 2 scrambled eggs. Let's mix everything together except tomatoes. Mix. Now cover and put aside for 2 hours. Two hours later, add eggs and mix. You can add beef or cooked brain, but I have egg, so I will add egg. Now, let's make kabab shapes and put tomatoes on top. Now start frying in deep pan. You can use beef fat or ghee also, but I am using oil. Final look. Hope you guys like the recipe. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.